Welcome to Renaissance, where we bridge theory or proven theory with everyday practice. Right is right. Don't settle for almost. Good enough isn't good teaching. Right is right means we hold out for the full correct answer. Not kind of right, not close. For example, if a student were to tell me the nucleus controls a cell, yes, but how exactly does it do that? That pushes and builds precision, the habit of excellence. And it reflects good practice for exam techniques, and it reminds students, I understand what you mean, but this isn't how to answer the question correctly. It can also be a quick form of differentiation where you ask for more information and challenge a student or collaborate with another student and ask them to build on what their classmates said. We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence then is not an act, but a habit, as the great Aristotle once said. At Renaissance, we raise expectations because clarity builds confidence. Next time, ask for the full answer from your students.